building my custom keyboard. It is a 67% layout. Let's open this up. It has RGB lighting, of course, you need that, and Bluetooth. That way you have the option of having it wired and Bluetooth. I don't know how long the battery lasts, but I would assume a while. Comes a little booklet right here. I think this tells you how to mess with the lighting. You can do different settings on it and stuff, but we'll figure that out after. Oh, actually, this comes with the USB-C, and I'm pretty sure a tool so you can take off the switches. Comes braided USB. That's nice. All right, now keyboard. My favorite feature of this, I don't know why, but it's this volume knob. If you're lazy like me, it just saves you the headache of trying to reach over to your volume on the screen, at least. Now I'm gonna check to make sure all the LED lights work. You never know. Hold on. Oh, there we go. All right, let's plug this in. Let's see if it makes sure it works. You never know. Last thing you want to do is finish this, loop all the switches, and it doesn't work. Oh, nice. Look at that. All right, that's good. And we know it works. It clearly turned on the video. I was playing on the computer. All right, now let's get to the switches. So these are the red switches. They're supposed to be kind of in the middle of gaming and office. Yeah. Now this is the part that sucks and everyone hates, but it just takes a lot of time. But you gotta lube these switches up, which I have right here. Let's see. So first things first is you want to pay attention before you. I mean, I think this is with everything. Oh, look at that, showing on by itself. Oh, actually, there's buttons right here. Bluetooth, wired. It's pretty cool. Anyways, so with anything that you take apart, I would always pay attention to how it's put together. So the way you take these out, I usually just grab a little flathead, hit the corners. Now, a lot of people like to have containers and they separate all the pieces and they lube them up like that, but you know what? Just gonna wing it. This is actually my second keyboard that I'm gonna be putting together. The other one was a 60%. Come on. What's wrong with me? There we go. All right, so let me just put this aside. Focus more on the switches. So you got a clear piece. Now this little piece, if you look at it, let me see if I can get a good view on that. I don't think I can. Kind of looks like a little Lego piece. If you look at that, I don't know if the camera will focus. Anyways, so what you want to lube up all these pieces. So you want to lube up inside of here, the sides, that metal piece. You want to also lube up all around here, and then the spring, which I totally lost. Great. Oh, nope, here it is. And just spring, I'll show you. So let's grab the lube. Now I'll have a link in the description of everything. That way you get an idea if you do want to build one like this or similar, or any mechanical switch that's hot swappable. Alright, so I'll show you one, and then I'm going to have to spend hours lubing up everything else because this is such tedious work. But let's grab, let's use this. Let's not use up the new one. Alright, so like they say, less is better than more when it comes to lubing up these switches, because you can always put more after if you need it to be more quieter, I guess. So, like I said, I don't know if you can really see it, but you just kind of want to lube up the sides right here. Just nice little dabs. Get all in the bottom, the gold piece. Put that down. Lube up the spring. I probably should have put something in front so I don't dirty my table. Not that this table is expensive. It's made out of my old bed frame. I'll do a little more. That's probably too much. Now here, I mean, everything's gonna be touching, so you want to lube it up nice. So just what I do is just lube up all around here. They say if it's too shiny, then you know you put too much, which I probably did because I'm still new at this. Just try to get it all around. Now, like I said, hopefully you paid attention to how it's put. So, like of course, this is the bottom, put the spring, and then, I don't know, like I said, if you look at it, to me it looks like a little Lego guy. So there's little 2 indents in the front. Sorry, I'll get a better look. So it has those 2 little points right there on this side. Those go in the gold part in the front. Put it in, should go nice and smooth like that. And then this is where I actually messed up last time. I kept trying to put a lot of pressure, trying to push this back. It wasn't the right way, and I messed up a whole bunch of these pins. So let's not do that again. So it should literally just probably like that. Clips right in, nice and easy. Now, same thing here. Just pay attention to the 2 pins. Now these things are really pointy. I've messed up my finger a couple times on my old one, but if you look at the keyboard, there's just 2 pins lined right up, clips right in. That's it. So now I'm gonna have to spend long, boring time lubing up these switches. So Alright, finally, that's it. We're done. The lubing is done. Keycaps are on. Oh, by the way, inside the box came in. Is it in there? Yep. The Wi-Fi piece. Not the Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth piece. Don't want to lose that. Let's plug this in. Nice. Look at that. Now it comes with the paperwork, so you can kind of mess around with the settings, but I'll have to do another video on that. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this keyboard, I will have links in the description. Can't wait to use it, especially this volume knob. And that's it. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.